right, we are prepping and getting ready, loading up for Coos Bay over here at UTV Takeover. We are excited. We've got quite a few other dudes already on the road. Some of us meeting us here in a few. But we got Bo's car, Brent's car, Tony's car. We'll be putting my new car on there. Got a little setup here. This little pump is dirt cheap, but it worked really well. Pumped all this E85 into that. So we got our E85 tank, and then we got our big 100-gallon tank for our 91 for our stock cars. But who's going to UTV Takeover? Who's coming? Had gator wraps wrap this. Turned out really good. I was really stoked that they did this down here. So turns out really good. Pops, good job at gator wraps. So all right, we got this thing looking good. Let's go rip. All right, as we were loaded up and ready to rock and roll and take off to Coos, Brad's truck took a dump on him, which we were hauling his buddies, Tony's Razor for him. And so they're turning around heading back because the transmission just took a dump on him in his Duramax. Clout, his stacker that has 8,000 miles on it, brand new $500,000 setup. The motor took a massive dump on him, smoking. It is just chaotic. It's a mess. I hope we don't run into any more issues, but so far we've already had 2 trucks fail, and we're not even 200 miles into this setup with everybody, but we're gonna have fun. Hopefully we make it. Cross our fingers. So now we gotta, after loading this, I mean, we were hanging off. So we were right here. We are hanging off the edge almost. And so the only way to make it work is we were doing a little overlapping here with our tires. So good news is now we'll have a little bit of room. Bad news is I don't have another car prepped. I'd rather have had a backup car and bring another car, but it is what it is. I'm ready to go rip.
So how's it going, Dallin?
I gotta love having 6 tires, just constant wheel issues, I swear, but we have upgraded, so hopefully we'll stop getting rid of it. But it's 115 degrees out here and it's freaking hot, so I'm out. Here's our blown tire. That thing went right down to the wires on the tire. Wow. We got problems. Yeah. Regulator lost a seal and just started spewing oil, so I lost power steering and brake all at once. I think we got this. I think we're about up and running. Roadside assistance called them in. They got us taken care of. We're up on the road again. Well, we've made it to Coos Bay UTV Takeover.
We're waking people up. That's the wake-up call.
We're here. Let's do this. Cloud just got a ticket. He's got no flag on that dually. Cloud, where's your flag? Lit up. All right, so stay tuned, subscribe. I'm not gonna show you everything. We're actually gonna show you a little bit, but this whole week was wild. We had cars left and right break. Somebody got T-boned, not gonna say who. Looks like it hurt. that whiskey there. Oh, dang. We did do some of the contests over here at UTV Takeover, and it was freaking awesome. So stay tuned. We're gonna show you like some of the hill climb competitions, the wheelie competitions, the Huck Fest. Dude, just straight massive.
Who got second place in the wheelie competition?
Can't tell you yet, but we will tell you later. Also, first is quite the treat too. So stay tuned. A lot of carnage. Probably our most carnage trip ever. Most problems ever by a long ways. So stay tuned. Subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks. Got a good Mavar here.